Hi there, this is Grace at the Monroe Ben Franklin, and today we're going to show you how to do these really cute garden stakes for your garden this year. We did some wood burning and some watercolor with some acrylic paint, and today we're going to be doing and showing the carrot. Here's the supplies that you'll need, just some little bowls for your paint, the wood burning tool, this is the one we're using today, the Creative Wood Burner, little garden stakes, and acrylic paint and a paintbrush. And we'll get started. Alrighty, so I've sketched out my design on here and I have my wood burner tool. I'm just gonna use on the back side and test it to make sure that it's nice and ready to go. So you can see it's pretty hot. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just start tracing my letters. And with the wood burner, you don't wanna use a lot of pressure. You just want to let the tool kind of glide on the wood and you'll get nicer, even wood burning. And then you can just go through and color it in once you've done your outline. Like so. And then just keep on going. Alrighty, so I finished tracing and wood burning my wood stake, and then I just have a little dollop of acrylic paint that I've added water to and mixed up, and then I'm just going to dip into it and just kind of fill in those areas. Alrighty, and there you have it. You'll just let this dry and you can put a outside sealer if you want it in your garden. It'll do okay on its own since we wood burned it. But that's how you make your own little wood burned garden stakes that you can mark your garden that you do this year. Thanks for following along.